Hey, good morning, fellas. How we doing, guys? How are we doing? Vincent and Ella, good morning. The Market Ghost, Jim O, Pamela, Jagraj, good morning. Traitorous Chick, good morning. Good to see you. Dean Bishop, Niles, the Trading Moment, Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Will Grimmer, R5 Studios, good morning. How we doing, fellas? How are we doing? Terry, Golf Guy Mike, Benson, Dove Gordon, Grant Thompson Trades, good morning. How are we doing, fellas? We are live. It is Tuesday. I will say my voice, I'm not sure how long my voice is going to last. I still don't feel 100%. All right, market, what are we doing here? I absolutely am getting destroyed this morning. As you can see, everything I do is wrong. So, I don't know. It is what it is, but I'm pretty Tradeify accounts are not looking too hot this morning. Hey, Danteloy, Dan, Lawrence, Niles, Will Krimmer. I'll feel better with some green. Hey, I will admit, if I get my Tradeify accounts to green, I will definitely feel a lot better. For sure. Oh. Peter, good morning. Trader Ronnie Monty, good morning. How we doing? Oh, I forgot the clock. Hang on. Hey, good morning, least estimator. Ruben, Ernest, Dark, Roger, Sam, John. Good morning, John. I was doing Ben and Rose karaoke. That's why I lost my voice. You caught me. You caught me. Boys, boy, good morning. Hey, Stamore David, good morning. All right, market. What are we going to do here at the open? I was trying along here and I got scared out of it. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm gonna wait till like 9:45 before I take a trade here. Definitely not trading, just not really feeling it this morning. All right, market, here we go. We're gonna try to rip this thing. And straight up through the 20s now, of course. All right, testing the 820s. I've been scalping. I haven't even really been. I honestly, every single trade I took was just bad. Well, this one here wasn't too bad, but a lot of just bad. I don't know. Not much to say other than just bad trading here this early morning session. It is what it is. Now we got to try to recover it. A 12-volt AC, good morning. Let's see. Overnight highs was all the way up here at the 910s. So all the way up there, the 910s. So that's we went all the way up to the 910s and then just completely reverse course after, like, what was it, 10 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock? And we just been going lower ever since. We haven't even tested the VWAP since like 10:30 last night. Feels heavy. It feels kind of heavy, but I don't trust it. The big beautiful Bill was having issues. Yeah, I saw that. Classic Man 2020, good morning. Abda, good morning. Giz Marie, good morning. Rosie Rose, good to see you. Good morning. Darren Koss. How we doing? Alua Tosin, Just McCann, Clyde, good morning. The Market Ghost, good morning. Let's hope we don't. If we retest these lows, I'm going to probably look for a long. I mean, I'm still kind of bullish, but really need to get above the 820s here to really think about taking a stab at it long. Try to be patient here this morning. I don't want to get wrecked. Pretty choppy open here so far. Pretty choppy. See if we can get a move back above the 820s here. So far, the 790s have held. All right, can we get through the 820s? Let's see. Does not feel like it. Pulling back. Having a difficult time getting through the 815s here. Tempting to, very tempting here. Try along. Oh, I'm gonna need to be patient. Hey, good morning, Peter Schapp. Carolina, good morning. Good morning, Classic Man. Hopefully you guys had a nice green day yesterday. Yesterday was a pretty ugly trading. I mean, it ended up being okay trading day for me, but man, during the session, it was so choppy. I got chopped to pieces. Might be more of the same. We're gonna have an uphill battle this morning. Micro players, Sarati P, good morning. Alushi, good morning. Leith Hill, good morning. All right, pulling back, could not get above the 820s. If we lose the 790s, it's a tempting short to retest the lows. Very tempting. And if we do, I might take a shot short here if we. What a choppy. I mean, this is a very slow moving. All right, here, maybe now we can get through the 820s here. Let's see. Are we going to push through it? Up to the 820s and failing again. Interesting. Hey, Laser for trade, Nathan Ramirez, Max 90. Good morning. Oh man, is this choppy? Wow. It's so choppy. I feel like this is back on the table here. If we make new lows. All right, let's see. This is always so scary because if this wicks me in, this is a prime way to get trapped. But I want to retest that. Just be patient. We get filled, we get filled. We take the trade. This market cannot decide what it wants to do. This is very choppy open here. Crazy. All right, right back up. 815s. Can we get through the 820s? Can we get through the 820s here? You would think. I'm going to cancel this order now. Wow. Wow. Yes, news is coming 9:45, 6 minutes. Or 5 minutes, technically. Yeah, there is 9:45 news, 9:45. Should be moving the market, so wow, look at that. Just immediately right back down. Do we have to keep this order on? Think we have to. And I feel like this is gonna rip though. I think we're gonna go higher. Right. I could also do I could do this as well. I'm gonna man, this is man, do I trade the breakout? Man, right now, if you're scalping this range, buy at the 795s, sell at the 815s, you're done for the day. You are done for the day if you're scalping this 15-minute range. Crazy. What are we doing? What are we doing, market? What are we doing? And this is chat. What are we doing? Can someone unplug the machine and then plug it back in? I think it's broken. Oh man. How is my golf? Not too bad. Pretty pretty average. I'm not playing exactly great. Right now, I'm actually not putting well. My iron play is pretty decent, but I don't know why. I'm actually thinking about, seriously thinking about changing putters. I haven't changed putters in 2 years, but I'm debating it. I am debating it. All right, market. I am starting to I mean, do I do it? Oh man. I'm gonna trade the breakout. I feel like once this takes a move, it is gonna go. Just don't want to get trapped in here. Are we getting filled here? Are we gonna get trapped? We're in, folks. It's time. Come on, we need to follow through here real bad. Follow through here. Come on. No, don't tease me. All right, taking 3 off there. Okay, now we just try to get this thing to ride. Keep going. Retest those lows. You can do it. I need to put in a stop here. Hang on. Oh, the news is coming out. Shoot. You know what? I need to get out of that trade. I didn't realize I was that close to news. I was a little bit too close. A little bit too close to trading the news there. I mean, we did get the little bit of a break, but not a whole lot. And pumping straight back up. Oh, man. Okay, let's see what happens. Is Powell is talking, right? Let me look. I think that's what it said. So final it's 10 o'clock is the ISM manufacturing. Oh. I was confused. Yeah, 10 o'clock is the actual news event. Well, I'm glad I got out. I'm glad I just got out. Man, now I want to take a stab at this. I'm going to take a stab. Try to get these highs. I need to use my ATM here. Just need to get a couple wins. Only had 3 contracts. Come on, market. You were supposed to pop. You're supposed to rip it here. Come on. Don't die on me. Come on. This seems like we're stuck here. Come on. Not a fan. Now pump it. Come on. Not liking this. I'm gonna get out of that. I don't know. I don't like it. This stopped me. Whatever. All right. Wait and trade. Let's wait till the 10 o'clock news. I feel like this is just chopping back and forth. Just gonna chop us to death here until 10 o'clock news comes out. We can just be patient and wait. Hey, Red Poker. You're welcome. Yeah. Yeah, that guy. I had a lot more information on that guy than even I shared, just because I wasn't. I gave some of my word that I wouldn't share, but that guy knows exactly what he did, and that guy was 100% lying. Oh my. Come on, chat. Why? Why? Really? Why? Why? You're welcome, Dove Gordon. You're welcome. Hey, Scratch Your Itch Trading. Hey, Wilson, good morning. Snowman, good morning. Ah, that was rough. That was unfortunate. You gotta be kidding me. How do I do that? How? How do I do that? Now, are we gonna test the VWAP? And that's so frustrating. I mean, what I get for trading this choppiness. All right, here we go. Testing the VWAP, breaking above the 15-minute range. There it is. There it is. Unfortunate. Huh. Man. Will Grimmer. Yeah. Futures for our futures. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it right when I saw it. I'm like, oh no, they were watching. Yeah, they brought Harry Nutty back. It's unfortunate. Guess we asked for that one. I guess we asked for that one. We can't be mad. Okay, market. Right back up through the VWAP. And I don't know, man. Absolutely just not trading these Tradeify accounts have I've not been doing well on those accounts, to be quite honest. I definitely got, I mean, I squeezed out a winning day yesterday, but not by much. Hey, Take Profit Trader, new favorite prop. Yep. Take Profit Trader, 40% off. Take Profit Trader making some nice changes. 40% discount, no activation fee. Code Nutty Bar, all caps, if you want to support the channel. And the Pro Plus account now has end of day drawdown, which I think is the right thing to do. The other prop firm that I'm kind of excited about that has made some pretty nice changes that are coming is My Fund of Futures. My Fund of Futures, which we passed, these two accounts we passed in the overnight session. So we are going to have 5 accounts, but basically My Fund of Futures now is going to allow 5 accounts and 100K sim funding cap, no daily loss limit on any plans, and no sim funded consistency rule. So that, I'm pretty excited for My Fund of Futures as well. That should be pretty legit. What is the best account size at Take Profit Trader? I mean, I know a lot of people actually use the 25Ks. I've always liked the 50Ks, but looked into My Fund of Futures. They are a 2-step passing process. What do you mean, Jay Wilson? If you use the Starter Plus account, it takes 2 days to pass, but then it's, I mean, they have, I don't think it would be considered, I don't think that's 2-step, not for the Starter Plus. I don't think so, Candlelight Trading, if the changes already took effect in My Fund of Futures. I actually kind of thought they did, but I don't think they actually have, I don't think they've officially taken place yet. And then Trade Day, also 40% off. Now, Trade Day, the Trade Day promotion is a little deceiving. They said that you can now have 6 accounts, but that's just total. You could only have 3 funded accounts. You can only have 3 funded accounts. So basically, you can have 3 funded accounts and 3 evals. That's all that is. Apex, when is 90% off? I don't know. I don't know. And no activation fee. Yes, least estimator, you're correct. The 40% off, no activation fee. All right, market. Having a little bit of struggle here getting above the VWAP. Also, 5 minutes for, we have news. News in 5 minutes. All right, getting a pullback here, rejecting off of the VWAP. 830s. And Dorel and John owes me a flash 90 for NBT code. Yeah, I don't know, John. I think they're kind of done doing that. I think personally. Candlelight trading, you refuse to give them another dime. Hey, that's fine. To each their own. The payment was denied, never approved. Ian Connor. Sorry, what was the comment? What's up with the 100K payout that they approved and haven't paid over a month? Yeah, Ian Connor. That guy's not being truthful. That guy's, he knows exactly what he did. He knows why it was denied, and then he blew the account. And then he's trying to just throw a hissy fit on social media, and yeah. I'm all for helping traders get paid. I will definitely do everything I can to make sure people get paid, but once you start lying to me, and then I'm gonna expose you. That's I'm not a fan of that. All right, market continuing to pull back. I don't know. We do have a news coming out in about 2 minutes. News coming out in 2 minutes. Happy. Oh yeah. Hopefully everybody had a great month of June. We are no longer in June month. We're in July. Happy 1st of July, everybody. Kiss me, I cooked. Facts. Facts. If people knew if people knew the amount of nah, I don't want to, it's fine. But if people would know everything about some of the stuff, I don't know if other affiliates do this or not, but me personally as an affiliate, I think part of being a good affiliate is to make sure that we go to bat and we fight for people. If something isn't being handled correctly by the prop firm, I think it's in our job and duty to make sure that it's corrected. Also, Top Step. Man, that was pretty funny. Trade of 8 came out, and sent out an email notice and totally went after Top Step X. And Top Step got caught lying. They were like, just a couple days ago, Top Step was asked about Trade of 8 and why Trade of 8 is no longer an option. And they kind of played it off like, well, it's no longer an option, but basically it should, they made it sound like it's coming back. And this is an entry here, but I'm not going to trade right before the news. Okay, news coming out in 20 seconds. Yeah, John. And then Tradeovate outed them. I think Tradeovate did it on purpose. They saw what Top Step was doing, and they're like, you know what? We're gonna out these idiots. Can't wait to see how Mr. Batak, what he has to say about that one. Hey, news is out, folks. Ripping it. He ripping it. Ripping it higher, about 20-point spike right there. Now let's see, can we keep going? Let's see if this is now a continuation move or not. Oh, man. You know what I hate? I hate being sick in the middle of summer. There should be some kind of law against that. Oh, man. I'm just still not feeling great. Excuse me. Uh, The only news you need to know is that I've finally broken my payout curse and we're on a 3-day streak. Let's go, Matty Matt. Let's go, Matty Matt. That's awesome to hear. Congratulations. Oh, maybe I'm allergic to nutty bars. Oh, I would sure hate to see that. Okay, Top Step just announcing. Yep, there it is. They are going to be only offering Top Step X as the only platform you can trade on. Yep. I mean, I knew that was. I mean, that's just. I don't like that one bit. I don't like that one bit. And the fact that they own Project X, they own Top Step X. It reminds me of the Forex. It reminds me of the Forex issues. It's just not a good idea when you have a prop firm controlling the platform when you know there is a direct conflict of interest there. It's just not, I don't think it's wise. The direct conflict of interest. I'm listening to this Top Step BS. If you pass the EVO, you go straight to fund it with no extra cost, one-time fee. MZ316, that is correct. Now, there is a difference. So if you get an account through a giveaway, then you have to pay the activation fee. But if you pay for an account and use a code, if you use a promo code, then you will get a credit for the activation fee, which will be the same. You just have to apply the credit when you go to check out, and then that will give you a no activation fee. What happened, Sharoos? I don't know. I don't know what happened. I just got sick. Not sure. Not sure, but I don't like it. Yeah, I like how Michael Batak is trying to make it sound like everyone prefers Top Step X. Yeah, the reason people are choosing Top Step X is because you make it impossible to choose another platform by the stupid rules that you apply only if they choose a different platform. Like, that's such a bias BS statistic that, come on. What a joke. Yeah, you have a higher pass rate because you have a data loss limit on every other platform. Jeez, these guys are stupid. Did Michael Patop just admit that they own Project X? He literally just admitted it. I mean, we already knew it, but he literally admitted that just now. Man, what a choppy market we've got here. How many you can have? You can have 5. I believe it's because they're going to become a broker. I mean, they can become a broker. It doesn't affect. You could still have. Kiss me, I cooked. It's unfortunate, man. Yeah, I hate to see it. Yeah, Rhythmic Top Step is only going to allow Top Step X as the only platform. No Rhythmic, no Trade-Evade, no nothing. The only platform you're going to be able to trade with is Top Step X going after July 7th. Hmm. And this market, yeah, I hear you, John. The guy just annoys me. Yeah, I'm wondering what they're going to do with people that bought Trade-Evade accounts. I mean, they basically said after July 1st, you're not going to be able to trade, or on July 7th, you can't trade on Trade-Evade. So how are I mean, they got to make that right somehow. Can't just I don't know. Look at this. We're just slowly rolling over here. All right, I might take a long here right off of this bottom range. Okay, I didn't want to. Let's go. I wasn't even paying attention. Let's go. Finally. Finally. I was right. I'm tweeting. I was tweeting. That was awesome. Hmm. All right. I tweeted what I tweeted. Dove Gordon. You're welcome. Welcome to hang out with the nerds. Hey, Ruben Ernest, thank you for using my code. Nutty Bar, all caps for Take Profit Trader. I'm not a conspiracy theory, but I'm starting to be like 90% sure that Take Profit Trader is actually the one that owns the NBT code, and that's why they're not allowing me to have it. I have some information that is whatever. It is what it is. I appreciate you guys using the code Nutty Bar all caps. Okay, Flatter. Let's not go there, Mr. Wall Street. Not today. Not today. We can't go there today. Oh, man. Wow, look at this market. We are ripping. You know what's funny? Wasn't Nick for a tick? Wait, Nick for a tick. Maybe I had the wrong guy in mind. Wasn't he on Top Step? Was Nick for a tick with Top Step? So Nick for a Tick used to be with Top Step, correct? Okay, and now he's on Ninja Trader Live. Do you know what he? So here, this is interesting because. So I made a tweet just now. I just tweeted just now. I tweeted this. I said the reason that 82% of your users are using Top Step X is because it isn't a level playing field, aka no data loss limit and micro scaling. Stop the cap. This is reminding me of the Forex space. We all know that you own Project X and are now making it the only option is a major conflict of interest. And Nick for a Tick liked the post. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. It's too funny. Digital Seeker. Yeah. That makes sense, Frank. Yep. All right, market. What are we doing? Do I look for another entry long here? Now they're going to offer a 99% discount to try Top Step X. It might pat. Oh, I see, John. Okay. Okay. Apple's guiding this higher move. Okay. Now we're keep pulling back here. I don't want to jump in too fast. I'm going to wait for an actual entry here. Mm-hmm. And we keep pulling back. Wow. This is now retrace that whole move. So I'm not. Now I wait. I don't know what's going on. Market must be reacting to Top Step only offering Top Step X as a platform. That's probably what it is. Wow. Taking out those 15-minute range lows. Now Batok's just straight up lying. Pretending like Top Step X never has issues. Come on. Oh, maybe he wasn't saying that. So the tax bill is nearing a vote. Okay. All right. I don't know if I should. I don't know what to do here. I feel like just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. But man, my throat is starting to hurt, guys. Ugh. Sucks. Trying to eat these. I'm inhaling these cough drops like crazy. Man, do I take a long here? Get filled here. I think I'm definitely not just gonna buy here. I want to wait. If we take out the lows here, honestly, a short back to the low of the day would be actually a decent. That might be a better trade actually. All right, we're kind of chasing this down. What I'm looking for, just don't rip against. Give me that low a day. Come on. Man, makes me nervous. Just dump it. Dump it. Do it. Give it to me. Give it. Thank you. Let's go. Scalp it, baby. Scalp it, scalpity. Scalpity, scalpity. All right, I don't know what we do here at the low of the overnight session right here at the 760s. Let's wait and see what happens here. Excuse me. Exactly, my pet Eskimo. Exactly. They are not that dumb. They think we're that dumb. That's the difference. They think we're stupid. All right, market continuing to dump. Wow. All right, if we look at the daily chart, we are kind of due for a little bit of a correction, so I think we keep looking for shorts here. I think I keep looking for shorts and just see if we can't scalp our way back. Kind of what I'm hoping for. And this is tempting to try to take a long here. It is tempting me. Oh, probably shouldn't. Try it. I'm gonna try it. Pump it. Come on. I'm not gonna hold this for long if this starts to, if I don't like this. Come on. Come on. Ah, I gotta get out. That's not holding up. Oh my gosh. Cops, oh dude, Michael Batak, you're such a douchebag. Pretending like they make all their money from live traders. What an absolute joke. Anyway. All right. Well, there's the move I was looking for. Hey, Slaya in the building. How we doing? Good morning. Hey, nicely done, trader. Ronnie. All right, I want to see what happens at it's gonna reject here. Wow, look at that dump. I mean, that was a big rejection right off of this 15-minute range low. Wow. That's a nice trade. Man, that is such a perfect 15-minute retest short. Oh, somebody take that. Did somebody take that? Oh, Slaya, we're doing good. We're just having a good old time listening to Top Step try to rationalize that their only platform option is going to be Top Step X. Pretty hilarious. Look at this thing dump. Yay. Man, that was such a night. Did you catch that, Trader's Chick? Nicely done. And they lied about Tradevate coming back. Yep, exactly. Hey, Yario. Oh, no. Ario, Ario Jimenez. Oh, geez. Please, Lord, help me that I would get that name correct today. Good morning. Daniel Rosenstein, that was great. Up 18 now for the day. Nicely done, Daniel. That was a great retest short. Man, I did not take it though, unfortunately. I'm sad I didn't. I thought about it. And then I got scared from V-shaped reversal moves. This wasn't a double bottom right here. I think I would have maybe taken it. This double bottom scared me. But if you caught that, nicely done. And now getting a bounce. Just made another new high on YM. What's going on with Jairo Jimenez? Thank you. Not too bad I was ready. Now I'm back to break even. Honestly, I'll be happy with a break even day on my Trade-of-8 account. Trade-of-5 accounts. Oh, and right back down, new lows. Wow, we might need to be aggressive on taking shorts right here. All the way down, about to test the 720. I mean, testing the 730s right now. Wow. Also, guys, my Lucid accounts, my Lucid accounts, I don't want to jinx. Maybe I shouldn't talk about it. Probably shouldn't. I'm probably going to jinx it now, but whatever. How can I wait? Can I connect? I need to, you know what I've been actually thinking? So I've been seeing a lot of people use TradeSync, and I wasn't fully aware of how TradeSync works. Now I know. And I might, that would be one way that I could trade multiple rhythmic connections, but still use my Ninja Trader as my platform on where I trade. So I'm actually thinking about it. I'm legit thinking about it because it sucks that my Lucid accounts. Here's my Lucid direct accounts that I've been trading, and we've got, I think I had today I was at, I think I have a what, let me look. But this is my Lucid account trying to today I've locked myself out. I think I need $400 yet. I need $400 tomorrow, which we all know isn't easy. It's not going to be a cakewalk. We all know that. But then I should be able to request $3,000 from 3 accounts, so should be able to get a $9,000 payout. Yeah, so today I have $391 profit. So I would need about $300 to get. Let's do this. It's about time I get another payout. It's been way too long since it seems like it's been 6 months since I've gotten a payout. More accounts traded at once. What could go wrong? It's true. How many accounts or contracts am I trading? It's like 1 to 2 minis. 1 to 2 minis is what I'm trading on those Lucid accounts. Just obviously getting to a $9,000 target. I'm being a lot more aggressive. All right, market just continues the dump here. Wow, if you shorted that 15-minute retest, you still holding, you're a G. My Nutty Bar Trader Pro account. Oh, I see. More accounts. Yeah, exactly. Orlando's officially green, plus $2.80. Right now, plus $2.80 sounds like a dream. That sounds great. Keep thinking that this is going to make a nice bounce at some point, but just not happening. Are we going to get a bounce here or not? Kind of want to bounce here and so I can get an entry here. Just not happening. And about to test the 700s here. Man, give me a bounce or something. is so bearish all of a sudden. I'm so tempted to try to catch a bounce here. And I'm so tempted to try to catch a bounce here, but I know it's not a good idea. Uh, do I want to do it? You know, you made this recap of payouts recently. Do you want to know what I noticed and investigate it further? Yeah, sure. Jimenez, what do you notice? And I don't trust taking a short here. I gotta wait. Gotta be patient. Man, am I tempted? Oh, so hard to short down here. There was a Colombian trader in the top 10, more than 1 million in payouts. Let's go, Jimenez. He made this only on using one account. Are you serious? All right, testing the 700s right here. Wow. You're right. That guy did actually make all that money on one. What? You're right. From Colombia, he made 1.4 million from one account. That is wild. That's impressive. Can you imagine? That's pretty insane. Are you saying that's you, Jimenez? Raise your hand if it was you. And there we go, down through the 700s. I mean, that's feel like this. I should have taken that short probably, but man, so hard to take a short with this thing. Ugh. Feel like a bounce is coming. Hmm. And I'm so tempted here. Okay, we're doing it. Doing it. Gotta take my profits, though. I cannot be greedy here. Cannot be greedy here. I mean, I don't know that's worth it, but I feel better. I feel better. Scalpity, scalpity. Watch this thing be the V-shaped move now. It's okay if it is. Short gold, aiming for the... All right. Now, do we look for a short entry here? It's kind of, I mean, we are bouncing right off of this 700 area, so the chances that we see a bigger move higher, I feel like is a little bit better. Well, might be a good idea just to be, going to try to be a little bit patient here. But here we... Ow, look at that. Should I take this short? Jeez. But don't get filled. I'm really kind of okay with this. Don't really want to get filled. Oh, excuse me. Man, I need to cancel that order. I do not want to short down here. I just don't. Feeling little poppy. It's feeling like it wants to pop here. We get back above the 720s. Ace undercover, you don't think they're done selling? Yeah, I agree. Pre-tariff highs, the 22/700s. Yeah, the 700s. I was looking at the 15-minute chart, but you can see here on the hour chart, 700s here, definitely a very key level. And it's also on the 1 hour chart, right at the 100 EMA as well. Just, I don't really want to get short right here. I really think it's a good idea. Tempting to take a long here. It really is. And right back. It's really just going to keep going lower. Like, for real. Look at that. Wow. I just feel like I shouldn't touch this. That might have been a trap for the shorts, though. That might have trapped some shorts on that little wick lower. Well, it looks like we might also just start to go sideways here. Oh, sorry, I was I was muted. Sorry, guys. Oh, man, I was muted. Sorry about that. That was a bad I mean, I don't know. I was kind of it was a trying to catch the bottom trade. How long is the Tradify 50% good for? Kalai, it is good for until July 15th. Oh man. Yeah, new lows incoming. Wow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, well, I I'm starting to I'm starting to not feel really good. I can feel that I've got a fever. Oh, man, I hate being sick. I think I'm gonna call it an early day, guys. My throat is killing me. Gonna go doesn't help. The more I talk, the worse it gets. Oh man. I think I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. I know it's a short stream. We're not having a great day anyway. Might be a good time to just walk away. Go take some NyQuil and go take a nice long nap. That sounds like a great plan to me. So anyway, guys, I do appreciate. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks for the get wells. And tomorrow I will not be streaming tomorrow. We have a big July 4th party at our place. And tomorrow I'm gonna be I hope I feel better because I have to get a lot of stuff ready tomorrow. But I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow. I'm actually I won't be streaming on Thursday or Friday either. So I guess this is the last I'll be back next week, I guess. I'll try to do like a recap video if I do take trades. So I'll try to do the recap videos just to keep you guys informed. But I guess we'll be back next week. That's kind of crazy. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. Take care and God bless.